you're experiencing frame stuttering in Roblox, it can affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help unlock and improve your game's performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and a capable graphics card. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date can significantly enhance performance and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Open Roblox and go to the Settings menu. Lower the graphics quality and disable any unnecessary features like shadows or reflections. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve game performance. Step 5. Optimize network connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, and avoid downloading large files while playing. A stable connection can reduce lag and improve overall gameplay experience. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce frame stuttering in Roblox and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.